Alright, here we go. That's better. Can y'all see my face? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Alright, y'all should be able to hear me. If you're not be able to hear me, just turn up your volume. My God. Huh. I like that. Yes. So guys, if you want to send me any friend requests, just get my name, King Caden 1010. Wait. Yes! Let's go. Wait, water. Haha. Oh, now you got him. Yes. Can y'all see my screen cam moving? If you can't, then I'm gonna have to fix that at the end, but do y'all want to see the HP or no? Nah, you don't. Guess not. Yeah, I'm still gonna do it. Where should I put it? Yeah, just put it back. Ooh. Man, I'm gonna rip out my hair so bad. Oh. My God, you stink. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. And we lost. Anyway, I'm leaving. No, because none of my Pokemon are good. All of these suck. I had some legendary. No. When did I get more boxes? Ooh, I think I got the unlimited boxes thing. Let me check. Yeah, I did. Oh. da 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 da. Boom. Dang it, my camera just died. So now, what should I do? This guy hurry up. Finally. There we go. I just got it back on. Just got it back. What do you think I do my Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm dead. Oh no. Oh, let me just go ditto real quick. God, this one's good. Nope, nope. Forgetting. Wait, but I haven't. Oh, yeah. Watch this. Yes. Just see what this does. Unless it just accidentally does nothing, then I'm gonna be mad. I'm forgetting it. Peace. Alright, so what I need to do now? Bro, some of these people don't even have Robux. Sorry guys, I've been quiet for so long. Oh my god. It's just like I don't know what to do anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nothing. Y'all saw nothing? So not my friend. The flip. Skateboard does not look like that. So guys, if you want a extra ninja like I do, you go up here. Hold on. Nope. It's just there. Oh yeah. He's down towards the park area. Turn this way, and you'll see a guy in this suit. Hello there, he'll say this, hello there, young trainer. You wouldn't be happen to collect some rare Pokemon? Yeah, sure, that's not your sort of thing. You see, I have this Pokemon. It's not particular, is a particular rare species, whatever. Interestingly, however, it's a rare ability. Its ability is to bond with powerful trainers and become stronger. His appearance changes. Notice he knocks down an opponent's Pokemon. It's incredible cool when you don't see it. I suppose they could make it worth your while. I turn him over for 150 Robux. So you're going to need 150 Robux. But you need some room in your, excuse me. You need room in your, party, but I already got him and I'm only at 2 Robux, so I'm mostly broke. What's up, brah? Nope. God, why is there so much stuff that's so expensive? Yeah, that's what my hoverboard's supposed to. So if you want to get a hoverboard, you go to Atlantic City, and then you would go to a golden Pokeball. And then, like, never mind, no. Keep going straight. And then you'll see, like, a hoverboard place. What is this guy doing? Do I need to push him off? Oh my god. Yes, we are high. Yeah, so the reason why I'm almost broke is because of my dumb little brother. God. Is anybody even, like, on? Hello? No. I'm already past this, so I'm just here to see the gym later again. Plus, I really stink at it. I haven't been here in a long time. I guess I stink. What the flip? I have to pass these trainers. Flip.